The criminal case accusing Donald Trump of illegally holding on to classified documents was dismissed Monday. Judge Aileen Cannon of Florida, who was appointed to the bench by Trump, ruled that special counsel Jack Smith, who was leading the prosecution, was unlawfully appointed.
Today, an indictment was unsealed.
In June of last year, Smith announced charges against Trump, saying that he willfully retained sensitive national security documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate after leaving office in 2021 and obstructed government efforts to retrieve the material. But Cannon found that U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland did not have the authority to appoint Smith to the role of special counsel, and that Smith did not have the authority to bring the case.
This is a huge win for Donald Trump.
Nima Rahmani is a former federal prosecutor and president of West Coast Trial Lawyers.
Trump is facing criminal charges in 3 other cases. In D.C., he's also being prosecuted by special counsel Jack Smith. So the judge is going to have to consider that argument in that case. None of these cases will necessarily affect the presidential election, but the presidential election will affect these cases. And this is why. If Trump is elected in November, a sitting president can't be prosecuted. So all of these cases have to be dismissed.
According to a spokesperson for Smith, the Justice Department will appeal Judge Cannon's ruling. Courts in other cases have upheld the ability of the DOJ to appoint special counsels to handle certain politically sensitive investigations. Still, the dismissal marks another major legal victory for Trump, who was formally named the Republican presidential nominee in Milwaukee on Monday. Earlier this month, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that Trump enjoyed immunity from prosecution for many of his actions in office. That ruling involved charges pursued by Smith in a separate case against Trump involving his efforts to overturn his 2020 election loss. Trump, who also just survived an assassination attempt, said in a social media post that Monday's ruling should be just the first step, and called for the dismissal of all 4 criminal cases against him.